The enduring achievements are the eulogies for Indira Gandhi. They cannot be censured or pejorative. Both of the choices as choice B and choice C mean criticism. So encomiums as choice A means eulogy or appreciation are the correct answer for the blank one to make sense. Annihilate as choice D means destroying, and halt as choice F means stopping. On the other hand, elicit as choice E means evoking or awakening, just as is the hint, just as is the hint to predict that she does both the function for two blanks simultaneously lively. In a positive sense, she draws encomiums for her achievements along with evoking the criticism for her errors. She cannot stop or destroy any criticism which is a spontaneous reaction of general mass. Moreover, the passage gives a hint as just as, that is, the second blank will be positive following the first blank, and the choice E meets the sense to fit the blank too as correct answer. So the correct answers are choice E and choice A.